In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete in Proton Mail. If your mailbox is feeling cluttered, this quick walkthrough will help you clear it out efficiently without clicking messages one by one. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser. Once you're in, head to your inbox. This is where most of your messages live, so it's a great place to begin. Take a quick glance to make sure you're not removing anything you still need. You'll see a checkbox control near the top of the message list. We'll use that in a moment to select everything in view. Next, switch over to drafts. Drafts are those messages you started but never sent. If they're no longer relevant, they can take up space and make it harder to find what matters. Just like in the inbox, you'll be able to select them in bulk when you're ready. Move on to the sent folder. Sent messages often pile up fastest. If you don't need copies of older conversations, this is an ideal place to reclaim space quickly. Now open starred. These are typically messages you've marked as important. Take a brief moment to review what's here so you don't accidentally remove something you intended to keep. It's worth a quick scan before bulk actions. If you want to target a specific set of emails, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword, a contact, or a subject phrase to narrow results. Searching first lets you bulk delete only what matches your criteria, which is especially helpful for newsletters or notifications. When you're viewing the messages you want to remove, whether in inbox, drafts, sent, starred, or a filtered search, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible messages. With everything selected, click the Move to Trash icon, which looks like a trash can. Proton Mail will move the selected emails to trash, helping you quickly reduce clutter. Repeat this process in any folder or search view you want to clean up. With these simple steps, you can manage large batches of emails in Proton Mail quickly and confidently.